foods, man, they tell the chef, hurry.
God. The darkness. The dark. Hey y'all. Hey guys. How are you doing? Welcome back again to another video. And there is Brittany again. Hi Brittany. So today we are going to get insurance. And car insurance. Okay, where's the car? What kind of car you have? You know what I mean? You know what I nice if you start alarm. Imagine somebody just come. Somebody just come out. Alright, so somebody's going to get their facial today. Brittany, not me. So I'm just accompanying her to the spa. Oh no, you may have video in a serious. I snow cone abs.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure
I snow cone start with the video still.
Hey, when white people come out video, you like
I snow cone start. Oh, you see the pork, sir?
Huh?
You see the jerk pork?
You want that fiber jerk?
I ask you a price. I know what I want, let me just ask.
Why you don't have?
Huh? I know buy me a bed on Friday, you know? Yes, but I like the taste, please. Eh?
Where from?
The area.
Which area?
The Falmouth area. Guys, you will not like to know what happened just now. Darian say, give me phone, me video taste the pork. And Darian take the phone and not record nothing. So it have the phone and she not record it. Alright guys, so this is the new wharf that is being built in Falmouth. Look at it over here, never look so. It is coming on so lovely. It is so nice. Gosh. Oh, yeah, for the one. Yeah, the diffuser. Oh gosh. No, tea tree and lemongrass. Yeah, I mean, I say, why it smell familiar, but I think I want it, you know. Gosh, in here just nice. Oh gosh. I'm not going to get a facial, but it make me feel like more get a facial or just one massage or something. Like hear this nice music in the background. Oh my gosh. So relaxing, so soothing and nice. And This is in Falmouth, guys. I'm going to put all the information in the description below, so that you guys can come here and check them out. I'm telling you, just the ambience alone. Oh God. See nice, see nice furniture there. Oh God. Gosh. Come, Brittany. You're going in room 3. Look at Brittany before.
No.
Look at Brittany before. No, I'm not coming in there to disturb the station. I'm not going to be in there. I just want to come and peep. Okay, so room 3, guys. Oh God. Yes, it's so nice.
Go and keep this place. Exactly. I talk to
This is room 3, guys. See how the place nice and clean and pretty. Oh gosh, one needs to come here. Alright, so Brittany is going in for a surgery. Goodbye. Bye, Brittany. See you later. Oh, okay. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but as you can see, even though the skies have cleared up a little bit, we still have the haze going on. So you can see over the mountains there. That's the sea right there. We still have the haze going on. We had some rain, and the rain allow the haze to not be as thick as it was 2 days ago. So, thank God for that. It is slowly going away. If we get more rainfall, I guess, you know, we will be able to have clear skies. Yeah. Hey, Brittany. I see you getting your facial. She outside. She's chatting loop. She's chatting it up on her phone. You don't gotta see me, Brittany. You know why she has searched me. So laser hair removal machine coming very soon, and I want to do the first one.
Laser machine.
Good, you hear that? Good laser machine. So
It takes sessions. Like 1 to 2 and then like 10% after each shift.
I want to lose the hair, them brother.
Hair removal. Maybe a couple years down the line, you might have one strand or go back to do another 1 session. That's weird. It's really good.
Which area get rid of? Your bikini area. You know, your legs. Yes. Not necessarily. And your legs. Your nice legs.
Shave or wash their legs. I'm picking on life here. I know, but you're so cold right now. Me hot. Get rid of it.
Get rid of it. Get rid of the hair. Get rid of all the hair. You just want. You your face so yeah, your Brittany. Girl nice. Teeth them white teeth. Yes man, your white teeth them yes. Yes, Brittany. Yes. On her nose and so. Yes girl, are you this? Use the road again. That's it. Eh? The chemical.
Not today.
How do you feel?
Relax.
Feel relaxed? Oh, there's somebody prop up this now.
Okay, so this is hydrogelic.
Hydrogelic acid. Mask. Mask. Oh, I see this before. You can put it all the way over your face. Yes, and your lip and stuff. Hey, Whitney. You feel cool? Nice. Yeah.
And it's the common information. This is swelling and all of that.
Yeah. I use this as my thumbnail. As my thumbnail. Every day. Eh? See if I didn't make any. Me and the broccoli them. Very nice place, yeah. I'm telling you. Hmm? It's cold, not sure. Oh gosh. What do you call that ball something here? Oh, cooling glow. Nice, nice. Jeez. Man. I feel like doing facial. It's amazing. And I was even in the chair. Oh. Smile, Brittany. I'm going to end the vlog right here, guys. My battery, I'll get low my memory, I get low everything, I get low customer service A1, A+1, all the pluses them excellent. I'm telling you, Shan's. This is in Falmouth, guys. It's another Kingston or Norway. It's a Falmouth. You hear me? This is in Falmouth, Jamaica. If you never know say good things that Falmouth, now you know. Now you know that there is somewhere nice in Falmouth you can go and get your foot done, your face done, your massage done. If you want to prop up your breast, come here. If you want to prop up your booty, you can come here as well. And they're going to have laser hair removal very, very soon. So you better save up the money and sign up fast. And sign up so that when the machine actually comes, she can go ahead and start the procedure. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe. Comment down below if you will be coming here soon, making your appointments. When you come, tell Shans that the Gordons sent you, and yeah, I'm not getting no discount or no still, but just tell them say I'm missing, you know, around with that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.